business career agency. Today we are going to see about case study on breast cancer. We will see the patient profile. Her name is Mrs. A. Ramya, 48 years old female, occupation teacher, marital status married. She came with the chief complaint of lump in the left breast for past 2 months. Before entering into the topic, let me explain what is breast cancer. Breast cancer is a malignant tumor arising from the breast tissue. It can be arise from either ductal cells or lobular cells. Ductal cells line the tubes in the breast, and also it drains the milk. Next is lobular cells. It is a grapes-like structure, cluster of cells that produce the milk. Either it can arise from ductal cells or lobular cells. This patient came with a complaint of lump in the breast for past 2 months. Usually the breast cancer lump is not painful. Next is history of present illness will be explained by Sahana.
History of present illness. Mrs. A. Ramya noticed a small painless lump in her left breast 2 months ago while bathing. The lump gradually increased in size. Recently she noticed mild pain in breast, change in breast shape, slight nipple retraction. She has no trauma to the breast.
Usually we will examine the breast with the mirror, with the help of mirror. She examined her breast, a painless lump in the left breast for past 2 months ago. Usually the lumps are painless in the breast cancer. If it is painful, it can be a breast abscess or breast cyst. It gradually increased in size. The common symptoms for the breast cancer is nipple changes. Painless lump will be present either both side of the breast or right or left, and also changes in breast size. Mild pain will be occurs in the breast. These are the common symptoms for the breast cancer, and she has no trauma to the breast, so it can be cancerous. We will examine further. Next is past medical history will be explained by Soumya.
Past medical history, no major illness, no previous breast surgery.
There is no past medical history related to the breast cancer. There are many causes for this breast cancer, modifiable and also non-modifiable. Non-modifiable causes are female gender and also family history of breast cancer. Modifiable causes are obesity, alcohol, smoking. These are all the modifiable causes we can modify to reduce the risk factors. Next is family history.
Mother had breast cancer at age 12.
Her mother had breast cancer at the age of 55. This can be a major cause for her breast cancer. Next is physical examination will be explained by Mayurash.
Physical examination. A 3 cm lump felt in the outer quadrant of the left breast. Lump is irregular and non-movable, axillary lymph node enlarged.
There are 5 stages in the breast cancer. In stage 0, carcinoma in situ, only present in situation. In stage 1, it will spread around the breast tissue. In stage 2, it will spread around the entire breast. In stage 4, it will spread around the surrounding structures. In stage 5, it will spread to the surrounding lymph nodes. In this patient, there is a 3 cm lump felt in the upper quadrant of left breast, and also axillary lymph nodes are enlarged. So for this particular patient, the lymph nodes also involved. Next is investigations will be explained by Yogamika.
Investigation, mammography.
Mammography is the basic diagnostic test to examine the breast.
Breast ultrasound.
Ultrasound will be give the images of breast tissue.
Fine needle aspiration.
We will insert a needle into the cancer part and also aspirate the sample. We will send to biopsy to confirm the diagnosis.
Cytology.
Fine needle aspiration cytology or biopsy. The lab will confirm the diagnosis of breast cancer by examining the tissues under the microscope. Next is diagnosis, confirm the breast cancer for this patient. Next is management will be explained by Sambardhini.
Surgery.
Surgery, there are many types of surgery available for the breast cancer according to the stages of breast cancer. Either we will do mastectomy, removal of the affected breast tissue. There are many types. Skin sparing mastectomy, we will recover preserve skin and doing removal of breast tissue. Next is nipple sparing mastectomy. We will preserve the nipple and removing the affected breast tissue. Next is modified radical mastectomy, removing of affected lymph nodes. Next is radical mastectomy, removal of lymph nodes surrounding breast tissue.
Chemotherapy.
Chemical therapy, we will inject the drugs to reduce the cancer spreading.
Radiotherapy.
We will give radiation to destroy the cancer cells in the breast. Hormone replacement therapy is the most common treatment in the breast cancer because estrogen progesterone hormonal imbalance is the most common cause for this breast cancer. So we will give hormones replacement therapy to balance the hormone levels of estrogen and progesterone. Next is fission assistant role will be explained by Ganga.
Provide emotional support.
We should give a psychological support to the patient regarding the patient's status, disease and also management.
Pain management.
If pain present, we will give pain management. We will give analgesics to reduce the pain.
Post-operative wound care.
Regular dressing should be done after the surgery.
Educate about breast self-examination.
We should educate the patient about the breast self-examination. It can be done with the help of mirror. We can self-assess the breast tissue examination in our home also. It will prevent the further complications. Thank you.